Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will be making sausages bun rolls, but before starting I want you all to subscribe to my channel. We are going to start by preparing Soy-Mayo sauce. For that we need 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, then we will need 2 teaspoons of ketchup, next we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and finally 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now we will mix it to form a smooth paste and keep it in fridge until use. The next step is to prepare a soft dough for the buns. We'll start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, now we will add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Make sure that the sugar granules are not too big. Then we will add 1.5 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. This is completely optional. And next we will add 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix until everything is combined all together. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can also replace butter with oil. Mix once again until everything is combined together. Add 2 tablespoons of warm milk. If you haven't added milk powder, use 3 tablespoons of warm milk. Mix well until everything is combined together. Now we will gradually add water. We'll use 100 ml or as required and keep mixing and kneading it until a soft dough is formed. Keep kneading for 5 to 10 minutes until a soft dough is formed. Grease a bowl or a container with 2 teaspoons of oil. Transfer the dough into the greased bowl or container and knead it again for 5 minutes. Cover with cling film and keep the bowl in a warm place for 1 hour or until the dough is in double the size. The dough is all set. It has rised so well. Now we will knead it again until it is smooth. The more you will stretch and knead it, the smoother your dough will be. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and knead it again. Add 1 teaspoon of oil or as required to get the smooth texture of the dough. The more you stretch and knead the dough, the softer your buns will turn out. Grease your baking tray with oil or melted butter. Divide the dough into equal parts. It should neither be too big or too small. I have used almost 70 grams for each part. This gave me approximately 12 parts. Knead each part of the dough into a smooth circle. Now it's time for the final step, the roll preparation. We will give the dough a uniform shape and roll it out as thin as possible. You can also roll them out to your desired size, but I like them to be as thin as possible because this will give the maximum flavor of the filling inside. Now apply the prepared sauce and spread it out all over. Add the boiled chicken sausage, roll it out and seal the edges. Here we go with another one. Flatten the dough out and roll it as thin as possible. Apply the sauce all over. Add boiled sausages and roll them out and seal the edges. I have made 8 sausages roll and used rest of the dough for another filling. You can fill these buns with any fillings you like. Now I will apply the egg wash. For egg wash, I have taken 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of cold water and whisked it together. Now we are going to use Nigella seeds, also known as kalonji or black seeds, for garnishing. We will also use some sesame seeds for garnishing. We will bake these buns in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Look how soft the buns turned out. The bun rolls are all set and ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and share. And if you want more such recipes, please subscribe to my channel.